Hi there, this is Manny with Classic Auto Repair. I have an update on the Mustang and why it's not starting. First thing I did was I pulled the fuel hose off because I wasn't seeing any gas getting into the carburetor. So I pulled the hose off here, and then I hooked up my remote starter and I cranked on it, and I was getting fuel out of the fuel line. So that means the fuel pump and the fuel tank are passing the fuel through it up into the carburetor. But when I get up into the carburetor here, those two little brass tips right there, that one right there and the other one is right there, should be squirting out gas when you push the accelerator pedal, and it's not. So if I pull the lever like you're pushing the gas pedal, there should be gas squirting into the carburetor. Even though this looks like a relatively new carburetor, the accelerator pump's bad. That's this little flapper. It has a rubber diaphragm inside, and fuel tends to cause the diaphragm to crack, and just setting in the garage will cause these to fail. So I'm going to remove this, check it for fault, and then see if I can put a new one in there and restore gas in here. If it's not that, then there's an obstruction between this passage that allows your fuel to enter the carburetor. So I got to get that all taken apart, and I will report back as soon as I have a solution. Thanks for watching.